up, guys? I'm officially in Laconia. There's actually more bikes in this town than there is cars. You're gonna all see soon. Where are we now? This is one hell of a hill. I'm recording. Cool. The city's pretty. This town is pretty nice. It's like a freaking biker town right now. See, look at all the bikes. There's so many everywhere. No left turn. We're turning left. What's going on here? Nice motorcycles. Look at this, guys. Happy you guys came along with me in this trip. It is very hot though. Oh yeah, and here, as you can tell, look at, most people are not wearing any helmets because you don't need to here. It's not required by law to wear a helmet. I still do because, you know, I care about my head. Not saying that they don't. Wow. Very nice. Look at this. Wow, it's like heaven. Did I die and just come to heaven? Hard to find a parking. Alright, let's try again. Fuck. Alright. As soon as I see a spot open, I'm taking it.
One eternity later.
That was embarrassing.